Good morning. This is Dan Hamilton with the Hamilton Real Estate Group at Coldwell Banker in Palm Desert, California. It's the first Monday in November, November 2nd, and this is your Monday Minute, your local real estate update for the Palm Springs area market. This week we saw our new listings basically flat. They were down 0.9% at 421 versus 425 last week. When you look at the long-term trends, we are saying it's staying in that low to mid 400 new listings every week. So that is lower than normal. So we're continuing to see the inventory constraints that have been plaguing the market over the last several months, making it really tough for our buyers. Our new escrows were up slightly at 3% to 272. So the new escrow activity has been fairly consistent. You can see we're staying fairly steady in that mid 200 to low 300 range every week. So lots of buyer activity continuing to drive the market. Our closed transactions were up 11.4% this week to 341. When you look at our long-term trends, you can see we're staying fairly steady in that low to mid 300 transactions closing every week. And you can see the green line, which is our new escrow activity. The buyer activity opening new escrows is fairly constant and remaining fairly steady as well. We haven't looked at price reduction in a while, so we'll look at those this week. And you can see they're starting to trend downward. They're down this week to 5.4%. We're seeing less need for sellers to lower the home prices in this market. Finally, let's look at our average selling price. This week we were down just a touch to $475,460. But when we look at the number for October, that number was $498,191. That was a 3.3% increase over the prior month. So bottom line with this market, we are seeing low inventory still, strong buyer activity still. While the activity seems to be stabilizing a bit, we are still seeing, because of the low inventory, slight upward pressure on pricing. So check out the update online. You'll get all the charts with the update at www.theMondayMinute.com. As always, you'll find the full monthly update at www.desertmarketupdate.com. If you're giving thoughts to selling your home, because the market's really excellent for sellers right now, call me, 760-625-7229. And if you text, just text me at that number. I'll be happy to talk to you about what your home's worth in this market. And if you're a buyer looking for a great home, check out our home search at www.thehamiltonregroup.com. Thanks for joining me, and come back every Monday for the Monday Minute.